Okay, right idea, ding. This was a terrible idea. I don't know whose idea it was, it was terrible. It's off. It ain't gonna fit. There is spoons and everything in these drains. We got a handy dandy. What is this called? That's for bathroom sinks. Does it matter?
Well, probably.
I think they use them for automobiles, but we're going to use them for kitchen sink installation. Okay.
Drive it home.
It's all
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
What?
Look at this.
Holy crap!
Yeah, it's raising it up.
Holy crap! Look at the counter. That's the stupidest thing I ever did. I jacked it up like I was raising a hood on a car. This was a terrible idea. I don't know whose idea it was, it was terrible. It's simple fit, easy to mount.
Oh, that ain't gonna work.
Well, it has